Here is a fresh result of dividing LCD of using a iron clutch. Here is LCD. It was not just stick it using a normal UV loca glue. The person who were trying to repair it used a pure not pure but a hard glue. It is like glass. Here is the digitizer. I will turn off the light. Here is the digitizer, and here is the phone LCD. You can notice there is nothing. I will clean it and show you again. Okay, so here is the new LCD. I mean the broken one. I will use this sheet to on this one, because when I gonna remove this aluminium, I will find that the rear of the LCD is not damaged, but it is deformed, or the surface is not flat like before. So now I will just remove this plastic and get a new one. I will you will understand in a few seconds. So I will just place, this is broken. I will just place some remove and clean the LCD. So I will show you a try just now. I will turn on the phone. Give me some here. So this is Xperia c6603. I will turn on the phone, but I will try this LCD. Just a try. I will connect the LCD to the phone. There, everything is connected. Now I will turn on I did a mistake. Okay, I did a mistake. You know, I don't know why it is like this. Something is. I will try again. If somebody tell you to separate their LCD, do not try it, because you will lose it. But there is something. It is not broken here. It is not broken. It is just it is just, you will see here, it is moving, just kind of. It's gonna be removed if the LCD is dried and but you see, there is nothing that is broken, or it is just, here there is some a missing line, that means it is broken. But here there is a what to call it, like a liquid. If that's move, the LCD will be working. So I will turn off the LCD, remove this liquid, and see it may work very better. Stay here. I need to remove this. Aluminium and take this part. If there is a missing line, that means here there is a, let's see, there is a part of the strip that is not sticked very well. See, I have to hide this place from the other side. Okay, so the solution is to check a lens and come back later. Thank you. See the other video.